Welcome to another episode of the Boob Tube and Tube by Bathroom. Today we're going to be practicing an ancient Chinese therapy called Gua Sha. Not only am I a breast thermologist, I'm also a Chinese medical doctor and medical Qigong instructor. So we're going to be combining all that for full body or holistic health. Now, Gua Sha is an ancient practice of scraping the skin. Sha literally translates to sand. So when you scrape the skin, it's called combing the sand, and it looks like little prickles of sand on the skin. It is not bruising, it is actually Sha. Now what that means is we're increasing blood flow to promote healing. So this is also going to be help with your pain and anti-aging to help increase blood flow to the skin. So let's get started. Because Gua Sha is actually a therapy, there's just a couple little things we need to go over. You never want to scrape your face over moles or lesions or over old Sha. And because it is a beneficial therapy, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna be going over meridians, you're gonna be going over areas of pain, you're gonna be activating acupuncture points. You only wanna do specific areas of the body. You don't wanna do full body because it might be a little overwhelming and a little overpowering, especially for anyone that's just starting this therapy. Now, what you're gonna wanna do first and foremost is have a lubrication on your skin. So what I usually use is just an organic coconut oil, and I rub it. Let's say we're gonna do the arms today, arms and shoulders, all right? So we're gonna rub this organic coconut oil all over our skin, get it nice and lubricated. I actually kind of did this right before. Now, you can buy Gua Sha tools. There's lots of people that sell it, but you don't have to. You can use what we actually used in Chinese medical school was a nickel. A nickel is very effective, but how about the lid of the coconut oil? Makes it easy. One-stop shopping, that's the way I like to do it. Now the key is to rub it at a slant, and you want to apply a little bit of pressure when you do this. See, just like that. Be careful over certain bones. I like to rub up, the lifting effect. Now, it's hard for me to get Sha because I've been doing this for so long, but you're gonna see areas of redness. It looks like bruising maybe coming up. There's a little right there. So you do wanna apply a little bit of pressure. I like to go everywhere and then lift. I like that lifting effect. Now, how we are going to also use meditation or Qigong at the same time is envisioning the muscles. Envision your muscles being beautiful, strong, red, moist, your skin, increasing collagen, bringing that blood to the skin and making our skin beautiful again. I really like to get into all areas of the body, so I'm going to quickly show you. Again, we want to have that lifting effect. Again, just concentrate on certain areas, but I'm going to show you the whole body. I even do really lightly on my breast, very lightly. This will get a little bit of blood and get rid of stagnation. That's what Sha is known for. So go very, very lightly if you are going to be doing this on your breast. Now, when you move to the abdomen, be gentle, because these are your organs. You're gonna feel this. You might have a little different bowel movement because of this, so I'm gonna go a little gentle on this. I like the lifting effect. Now, if you have a little bit of stagnation, you can actually go with the colon to move. Again, I like the lifting effect, so I usually just go straight up and down on my abdomen. I don't really have any bowel issues today, but again, it could create them. So know that you're actually causing a little bit of effect. You want to do your back, which is tricky on your own, but I manage. If I can, you can. Again, certain regions. Now, you want to also do your legs. I like to have legs and butt. And I like the idea of lifting everything. Helps with cellulite. That's what I tell myself. I like to believe it. Let's make it happen. So again, let's do some lifting. We're envisioning tight legs, tight buns. Let's do that. So put your leg up and let's do the buns. So I like to bring everything up and lift, lift, lift. That one little area. All right, guys, Gua Sha. Give it a try. Be gentle. Because this is the boob tube, obviously, I want to spend a little time talking about an alternative way to massage your breast with Gua Sha. The importance of Gua Sha with the breast is to promote circulation. Okay, again, this is not going to cure breast cancer. This is more for prevention by increasing circulation to the breast, especially to help a little bit with stagnation that we see in the breast is called fibroids. So again, very, very gentle. Coconut oil applied directly to your breast. You're gonna wanna hold and lift your breast and very gently stroke. And you're gonna feel this, so be incredibly gentle. I like to bring it up. Again, I'm always holding and gently going over. I was on birth control for 17 years, so I have fibrocystic breasts. I like to get a little circulation back in there. And I always, when I do breast Gua Sha, very gently, I always love to include the lymph. So let's make sure we do that. Lifting, moving, lifting, moving. And then I just do very lightly over the chest. Again, this is going to be more for anti-aging, so I include this when I do this region. Just again, lightly, very lightly. And there you have it, an alternative form of breast massage. Gua Sha, quick review. Slightly slanted or oblique with pressure. You can do short strokes, but because I do like a whole region pretty quickly, I like the long strokes. That's what I showed you today. It's not as powerful. If you want more powerful, short, harder strokes for certain areas, not over lesions, moles, the face, and old Sha. So you guys, welcome to Holistic Breast Health.